How's it going, everybody? It's getting a bit chilly in Joburg, so and fire. Okay, so today is day 2 of salads from around the world. We are doing a Get it together. Get it together. We're doing a Turkish salad, which is pretty much something called an Imam biryani, which is might not be the exact way to say it. How do you say it?
Imin Bayildi.
Imin Bayildi, yeah. So basically that is eggplant with just deliciousness. It's like the most delicious thing you've ever tasted in your entire life. So it's eggplant with tomato, onions, garlic. That becomes a bit of the sauce, and then a lot of olive oil, and then basically that gets roasted in the oven for a couple of hours, or if we're going to do it for about an hour and 10. And then that is going to come out as just deliciousness, goodness, which you shall see. And that is going to go onto the lettuce with some figs on top, bit of mint chopped up, a couple of olives, and some feta cheese on top of that. I'm going to put some nuts on, and the main sort of ingredient which you will see that goes onto the eggplant is something called sumac. So every store should have it. And it's definitely a fantastic ingredient that you can put on a number of different things. You shall see how it all gets made, and come back, subscribe, like the videos, leave some comments, tell me what you want to see, and stay safe out there. Cheers.